Welcome back. Today, we're going to show you how to get our Falcons.AI Weapon Detection Model running on the Qualcomm RB3 Gen 2. First, make sure your Vision Kit is set up with Ubuntu and the latest Qualcomm drivers. We've already got our environment prepped and ready. Next, we're using a FastAPI wrapper. This is the bridge that lets our model talk to the web and exposes our interface on port 8000. Let's fire up the server. You'll see the Uvicorn workers start. This means our backend is live and the model is loaded into the Hexagon NPU. Now, just head over to your browser at port 8000. This gives us a real-time monitoring dashboard built right on top of the RB3 hardware. And there it is. Our weapon detection model is running at full speed. Because we're using the on-device NPU, there's no lag and no cloud processing required. That's it. A fully functional high-speed security solution at the edge. If you found this helpful, follow Falcons.AI for more tutorials.